Hey guys, how's it going? Alex here with Big Money Theory. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If not, welcome back. In this video, I would like to talk to you about a stock I mentioned yesterday in one of my videos. And the stock is IZEA Worldwide Inc. So yesterday in my video, I said that there are some hot news coming for this stock today. And they actually came out, but for some reason the stock went down. I personally think this is a classic buy on the hype and sell on the news case. So the news that came out today, Socialite joins IZEA Talent Partnership Program. Socialite is a full-service influencer marketing agency that partners with brands and creators alike to harness the power of digital influence. IZEA Worldwide today welcomed talent management agency Socialite to the company's fast-growing talent partnership program. Socialite is a full-service influencer marketing agency that partners with brands and creators alike to harness the power of digital influence. So in this case, this is a great partnership. This is good for the company, this is great news, but the stock went up before this news came out yesterday, and it was actually going up for a week now, and on the news it's selling. And we have other great news that came out today, and despite those great news, stock still went down. So here are the news. IZEA Q2 2021 managed services bookings already exceed all of Q2 2020. IZEA today announced that managed service bookings for Q2 2021 have already exceeded the total amount of managed service bookings for the entirety of the same quarter last year. Just to remind you guys, they are just 2 weeks into the second quarter of 2021. The company has signed a variety of contracts in early April, including multi-million-dollar influencer marketing agreement that includes both software and services for a Fortune 500 manufacturer. In the first 2 weeks of Q2 2021, managed service bookings has already grown 10% compared to all of Q2 2020, which was 47% up comparing to Q2 2019. Here's another little bit of information that is important to consider. Bookings are measured for all sales minus any non-cancellation refunds with respect to such sales, orders, or refunds. Management uses bookings to inform expectations for total sales activity. Bookings are not always an indicator of revenue for the quarter and could be subject to further adjustment. Revenue from managed services bookings are typically recognized over a 6-month period on average, though larger contracts may be recognized over long periods of time. So this is something important that you have to remember next time you're going to be looking at the financial results of Q2 of 2021. So what this means is you might not see the net income or gross income getting bigger or higher on Q2 2021, and it might be actually on the Q3 2021 according to this message right here. So if we look at the chart, we can see that IZEA today went down as much as 9%, but at point of time it was down as much as 17.8%. And since its lowest point, the company went up as much as 5.6% already. This happens because, at least in my opinion, people realize that the news are actually good, and another portion of the news that came out today about Q2 2021 results is even better. So I think this is a buying opportunity. This is like a deep buy, at least in my opinion. Another thing you need to consider, guys, is despite it going down today, 5-day trend is actually 8% up. Look at the 6 months. 6 months are up 500%. Look at the 1 year, it's even more crazy. The stock is up 2,940% within just 1 year. So 1 day deep, nothing to be considered about. I personally think it's a good buying opportunity. And this is it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I would ask you to smash that like button for YouTube algorithm. That way I know that you guys like these videos, and I'll try my best to create more videos for you daily. Once again, guys, thank you so much for your time and have a great day.